It's your guy, Emmanuel, but bringing it live FIFA 14. Sorry about the video because I should have a game catcher soon. That's Beast United. Let's do it. Pack opening. Let's try get it. Let's try get it. What? 350? Whoa, these packs have gone expensive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Actually, yeah. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, you've done it again. What kind of player is this? Oh, you gave me an offer. Good one. Send you to my club. Is that it? Yeah, is that it? Yeah, you've done it again. Yeah, you've done it again. I do have Xbox One, guys. Next gen. Should we do another one? Yeah, we got bare FIFA points. Do another one. Of course. See what we've got. I am playing PS3 today, so it's okay. Beast United. Let's up beast our team. Come on. Come on, boys. Seriously, eh? You give away packs and you give us this. What a disgrace of a pack. It's actually lucky it's 4K. It's lucky it's 4K. It's actually lucky it's 4K. I'm not even gonna lie. It's lucky it's 4K. It's lucky. I can't do it. It's just amazing. I can't even do it anymore. It's literally amazing. Literally. Please. 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 Please do me a favor. Get me an info. Oh, really? 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 Do you think I've got time for this? I'm trying to do a simple pack opening on YouTube and this is what I get. This is what I get. Seriously, we gotta get a good pack. Burton, do it, Burton. Please give me an inform. You know what? I've had enough. I've had enough. Oh, I might do pink slips with him. Ooh, pink slips. The rest could just duck out. It's my deck. Whoa, so that guy's 1K. Why is the pack that much? Why?